Hey students, what's up? Here's the 2-9 notes. We're talking about percent problems. This right here can help you solve any percent problem that is ever going to be thrown at you. So you set up yourself a proportion like this. You put the is over the of and you set it equal to the percent over 100. This will always be 100, and what's going to happen is they're going to give you two of these three numbers. So which means overall in this proportion you're going to have three of the four, and then you can cross multiply and divide. Now that's when it's just a basic percent problem. If it's a story problem, stick with this setup. You take the part over the whole and set it equal to percent over 100. Okay, so here we go. Here's some basic percent problems. Let's fire out these really quick. This one says, what number is 52% of 400? So right away it says, what number is? So we're missing the is. So if I'm gonna set up myself a blank proportion, I need to go like this. Always put 100 on the bottom. So if I'm going to do this really quick, I'm just going to go ahead and cheat a little bit here. 100. 100. There you go. All three of them. I got them halfway set up. So it's asking what is. So we're missing the is. What is 52%? Percent goes there of 400. There you go. So from there, you would just cross multiply and divide. I'll get these all set up and then we'll solve them here. Okay, this one says what percent? Okay, what percent? So we're missing the percent. Is 66 of 264. There we go. Is over of equals percent over 100. Last one, it says 29 is, I think this is a different one from the notes, but you get the idea. 29 is 20% of what number? So we're missing the of right there. So we're missing the of. 29 is 20%. There you go. Cross multiply and divide. So let's go ahead and cross multiply all these out. Or you can also, once you have them set up, you can also use proportional reasoning. Okay, so like right here, going from 1 to 400, well, that's just times 4. So if you wanted to take that times 4, you can do that. Let's go ahead and see if that works out here. 400 times 52 divided by 100 is 208. Let's double check to see if that proportional reasoning would work. 52 times 4. Hey, look at that, 208. There we go. So what number is 52% of 400? You would say 208. Okay, there we go. What percent is 66 out of 264? So nice little shortcut here, friends. If you just do 66 and divide by 264, you're going to get that. Oh, wait, I had to do the times 100. There we go. So it's actually 25. So if you see the 0.25, that is 25%. So this 100 is actually there to help you go back and forth between the decimal and the percentage. So 25% would be your answer. Don't forget to label your answers, friends. Okay, if it's asking for the percent, make sure you give the percent symbol at the end. Okay, here we go. 29, again, you can use proportional reasoning. Going from 20 to 100, isn't that just times 5? Yeah, it is. Okay, so if you want to do a shortcut, you could just do times 5 right there. Or you can cross multiply and divide. See if we get the same thing. 29 times 5. Sorry, this calculator's got some rickety old buttons here. So 145. Okay, so I use proportional reasoning. How about I do 100 times 29, and then I divide by 20. Hey, what do you know, 145. There you go. So 145 is the answer right there. So again, that's how you attack any basic percent problem. What is, of, percent, any of those combinations of questions. I think I try to get one of each. We were missing the is, we were missing the percent, we were missing the of. There you go. Those are the three types of flavors, right? But this thing will never fail you. There's other methods, mental math, whatever works for you. But for me, this is the best method. If you want to develop your own shortcuts, sweet. Otherwise, this one will never fail you. Okay, that's about it for basic percent problems. We'll see you in the next example soon.